So yesterday, I was actually able to catch this buy, which was cool. So originally, I was looking for sells because we were still maintaining the lower highs until I saw this. Let me see if I can make my cross thing just a little more thicker. Yes, indeed. Okay, so until I saw we had bullish, bearish. To me, that was a form of resistance. And so I was like, well, how can I make this look even cleaner on the smaller time frames? Like, where exactly is that? And so to me, that was like all of this right here. Make this thick because she's important, right? And mind you, we have this weekly liquidity level. If I were to take everything off, you would see how the weekly level use this area as support, right? So I was like, all right, there's a pretty good chance I just have to see resistance form on the 4 hour and then break. Like I've had this on here for like a week or so, wait for the 4 hour resistance to break before buying again. And they would be long-term buys since on the daily we're still maintaining higher highs and higher lows. So once I saw the break of these, it's pretty much, I mean, honestly, this was my these two candles were my signal for entry. Well, for the fact that I would be able to switch my bias to buys. And then I think I entered in after something here. Where is oh, let me see. Let me know if I can say it wrong. Entry was 161.275. 161.275. Right here. Yeah, so that was my entry. So if you want to wait, if you want to buy, wait for a true higher high on 1 hour or H4 form, and that's exactly what I waited for. So that's that on that. For today, obviously the bias is buys, but I was kind of like looking to see what level could possibly be used as, support to continue to go around, to continue to go bullish. But at the end of the day, like, you could put your support to sub, don't mean to have to come to it. The main thing I'll be looking for is we're good on that. Let's see what text we have. Wait for resistance. Yeah, that's it. Waiting for resistance to break, and it's going to be seen on the 15-minute or the 30-minute time frame. The 15-minute so far, it hasn't really like yes, I'll say this has broken, but technically it's only tested. But if in 4 minutes this little candle closes bearish, then yeah, it'll be broken. So then it'll just be a matter of watching until you find your little resistance break, resistance seen on the 15-minute or 30-minute time frame, right? So that's going to be the trade for today. On gold, I closed half of my position. The bias is still bearish because we're maintaining these lower highs. So again, it could be waiting for support to break on 15 or 30. It's really just what has the most clarity. So that's what's popping for today on gold. And it is leaving this weekly level that you see right here. Waha. All right, this is, you see on the weekly level, this area was acting as really strong resistance. So there's a possibility that price could continue bullish from here, but again, the current flow is still very bearish, so we can't even consider long-term buys just yet until we get our 4 hour break of resistance like how we had on GJ. So let's see what today holds.